If you're wondering how to make your small bathroom appear way bigger, the secret is in the size of the tiles. Use large format tiles on the walls and on the floor. The same rule that we use in sitting rooms applies to bathrooms. So in small sitting rooms, you shouldn't use small furniture. You want to use bigger furniture to ground them. The same rule applies here. Now, large format tiles are amazing, but there's another secret. Don't tell anyone I told you that. Lights. Lights are super important to make your bathroom appear bigger. I was just telling you about the importance of light, and yet there's another rule to this. Shiny tiles. Tiles that are bouncing off light coming into the space. They will make your space appear way bigger. It's very important to remember that if you want to create a luxurious looking space, something that's going to be timeless, first of all use natural elements like this gorgeous marble effect tile, and then spice it up with tiny bit of color. And here we went for half and half. So we have the marble effect tile on the bottom part of the wall and the Moroccan inspired metro green tile on the upper parts of the walls, and this is an amazing way of making your space look slightly bit more interesting, more polished looking. Another brief was to add texture, and texture is used literally everything in this space. You can see it in this gorgeous ripped glass bathroom shower panel. The texture is on the shower tray. The texture is also on this gorgeous wall tile in green. And then, last but not least, we have brass accessories which make the space look ultra luxurious. This gorgeous vanity unit with loads of texture on it as well. So texture is literally everywhere you look. This is something that will last for years to come, and it's definitely going to wow you, your family, and your visitors. Every time you use tiles, floor to ceiling, it's very important that you balance it off with a tiny bit of wood. You don't want things to look too stark and too cold. And here is a brilliant example of using the third tile, and that's a wood effect tile on the floor. It's distressed look and makes things tiny bit more funky.
So Wioleta, we've been selling a lot of wood effect. Do you think this trend is going anywhere?
No, it's going to stay, and I'm absolutely delighted to hear that. And you know what? Tiny bathrooms that are floored, tile to ceiling, are going to benefit from wood effect tiles. They just have the power to add so much warmth and texture to bathroom. And like, have a look at these tiles. You can lay them like that, or you can use them as a herringbone effect on the either wall or the floor. What I did recently, actually, in one of my projects, I used herringbone tile on the wall behind vanity unit. It added so much texture to the space. It looks so luxurious. So yeah, I hope they stay forever.
Yeah, they're definitely a good solution for a bathroom without the maintenance.
In smaller bathrooms, you can use bigger tiles. Yeah. So we have bigger format wood effect tiles here. And what is super popular right now is either oak, walnut, or a bleached oak. These are the colors that I use all the time. They're gorgeous.